Hey guys, what's up? It's Grayson the Beast here, and I'm just with my friends Logan and Colin. We're like on this big freaking mountain. Gosh dang, look at this. Like mountain of dirt at this construction site. Freaking beast. This place is huge. Oh my gosh. That was fun. We're just sitting here, just looking at this one kid's house.
Go boy.
I'm not sure if I should show it.
Why?
I don't know, because like someone might know this area. I'd be like, ooh, let's go kill him.
Yeah, oh yeah, that's true. Well, they would kill Brandon, not us.
Yeah, it's like, so who cares? But yeah, we're at this construction site. So, it's like right there. Yeah, I guess I did show you. So it's right there. Alright guys, we're back at the big dirt pile over here. We're gonna go explore some more.
Oh. Hey, bro, there's a lot of wood. Look at this.
Oh gosh, all these trees cut down.
Uh-oh.
What?
That guy
Slowing down.
slowed down and picked up his phone.
Did he pick up his phone?
Yeah.
Wait, did you actually see it?
Uh-huh.
No.
He turned, I think he just slowed down a bit. It's on his phone, as he was.
There's a car over there.
Dude, that thing is, ringing.
Yeah, it's been on there like all week. I don't think it means anything.
You wanna check over there? Yeah.
Dude,
Oh!
the car just stopped right there. I think we're fine.
Dude, that house is not even built yet.
Yeah, I know. Oh no, that's pumping out water. Oh, over there.
Yeah.
Alright, right now we're just gonna walk over there. Yeah, dude, this thing's pumping out water. Oh, it has a leak. Look, oh, that's the car again. I think it left. All right,
Wait, why did it stop over there?
it probably like the manager of that, just checking by.
Yeah, probably like, something like that.
Shut up! I think I hear somebody. If we see him, we gotta tell him about that busted pipe. Here, come here. What's that? Oh, is this a retention pond? I think this is gonna be a retention pond.
What's that?
It's like where all the water goes after all the rain. Or
That's really cool.
this is cool. Whoa! Oh my gosh! What is that? This is pretty sick. Yeah, this is gonna be a retention pond. One big freaking retention pond. Logan, are you sure? Like, are you thinking about going back? None. Never mind. The heck? What was that? Oh, you threw something. I was in this big old massive ditch. Like, it goes all the way over there. I don't know if this is a retention pond. Like, there's a pipe over there. There's a pipe over there that I think is like a retention pond. But this, like, is freaking huge. Actually, dude, I think this is a retention pond. For like, since there's water right there for hurricanes. Like, the houses are gonna be built up here. And there's just gonna be this massive retention pond for the hurricanes. So like the water will come up and it'll only come up like right here. So it can't take out the town. Or not the town, the neighborhood. I saw some stuff back there. If you want to go back there later, or just go home.
The workers are probably going to be here at probably around 4.
What time is it?
3:13.
Yeah.
Kind of anyway.
I don't know.
Go back.
I mean, why would I don't think so though. Because like, why would they be here on Saturday?
That's
Kind of an off day.
Yeah. Because every day after school, I always see him working over here.
Yeah.
I didn't know that big hill is over there though.
I see. When I'm driving by, I'll see that and I'm like, dang it! I want to go play up there, but I have like nobody to go play with.
Oh! What's up throwing rocks in?
Sorry. Kind of cool though. That course. Looks like a rock, but it's just like it's like
Whoa, dude! What if this isn't a neighborhood? What if it's like a mining field, and we just find this like big gold nugget?
gold.
Hey guys. I'm a little out of breath right now. We just climbed this. We had a race. It was Colin, me, then Logan. And this freaking place. It's a huge lake or pond, whatever you want to call it. And there's like an island right there. I bet you guys like nobody's gone on there forever. It's freaking awesome. I want to get my kayak and go explore that. That'd be awesome. Oh dude, look at this tire tracks. Big old thing come up here. Oh, I'm gonna get it in. Oh yeah. Wait, what am I gonna use? Ah! Oh, I was close. I was real. Oh yes, there we go. This is gonna be good. Oh!
Oh, it's a.
Yeah! Gotta get like these. Oh, frick no. Chuck it! Oh! Alright, let's go. Oh, you ready? gosh. Oh, oh. Whoa. Dude, that was fun.
Yeah.
I really want somebody to come chase us.
Why, dude?
I don't know, it'd just be fun.
Why do I always see these white rocks whenever I see like the ditches? It's weird.
Yep, definitely water drain.
Oh, what's this?
Here, let me see.
It's not pennies. I wish it was.
It's like a rag.
Dude, place it on that.
I wish one of you guys had a marker.
Oh yeah. I don't have one. Dude, like place it right here. On that. Oh no, I'm not doing it.
Why?
Alright, fine, I'll do it.
What?
Oh, it's so close. Where is it? Ah, freaking disgusting. Oh, frick! Whoa, dude, is this a shirt?
Yeah.
Oh, someone got Zaxby's. Zaxby's. There. Speed right there. Nice freaking car. That was fun.